we'll have a look at the properties of a vertex. So a vertex is the maximum latitude reached, north or south, when sailing on a great circle course. The great circle distance is part of an overall great circle, and of course the vertex can appear before your initial position, after your final position, or actually between your two positions. The latitude of the vertex will be the same in the northern and southern hemispheres. So for example, if you calculated your northern vertex reached 45 north, then the southern vertex would be 45 south. The D long between both vertexes has to measure 180 degrees. And when we think of a circle, we're going to the basically 180 degrees different for the other side, if you like, of the great circle. So for example, if the vertex longitude was 85 west, then the other vertex longitude would have to be 95 east. So from 85 west to 95 east gives us 180 degrees. When crossing the equator, the vertex will measure 90 degrees east and west. So what we mean here is, in this, looked at the above example, the vertex would cross the equator at 5 east, because with 85 degrees west, with another 5 degrees, well, that will take us from 85 to 0 to 5 degrees east. So hopefully you can see that. And another example, vertex 123 west, it would have to be 57 east, which is 180 degrees difference, and it'll cross the equator at 33 west, because 123 minus 90 is 33 west. Another 90 degrees from that will take us to 57 east. Also, the course of the vessel on the great circle track will cross the equator at an angle of 90 minus the vertex latitude. So an example being, we found that our vertex was 47 degrees north. Quadrantally our course would be 43 degrees. And if we're heading in a northwesterly direction, the course would be north 43 west when crossing the equator. And this is because at the vertex our course is 90 to 70. Okay, it's a parallel course. So let's just have a quick look at the sketches to do with the vertex and the angles. If this angle here was more than 90 degrees, then the vertex would have to be before the initial position. If both angles are less than 90, the vertex has to be between the two positions. And the vertex is after the end position if this angle is greater than 90 degrees. So they're the three sketches of the vertexes there, and what I've already explained there, the vertex is 90 degrees away from and halfway between the two places in which the great circle crosses the equator, and the latitude of the vertex equals the angle between the great circle and the equator at the intersection of the great circle and the equator. So hopefully you can see that from the sketches. Importantly, how the position of the vertex works out in relation to the course of the vessel. It's the course of the vessel that helps you determine where the vertex is going to be.